ROCPLEX Xlife Formwork Plywood is a high-quality construction formwork use plastic plywood covered with 1 mm plastic that turns into a protective plastic during production. ROCPLEX Xlife Edges with 3 times sealed with waterproof paint in the factory for minimize moisture penetration. Core materials manufactured from high-grade birch veneers bonded together with Super E0 waterproof adhesive, which has superior bond strength. The oblique, jiont, and hot melt splicing technology are used to avoid every possible gap to ensure excellent hardness and stability. ROCPLEX Xlife Formwork Plywood sheet with hard-wearing plastic coating for a significantly longer lifespan and uniform concrete faces over a long time of service. ROCPLEX organic toughened plastic facing does not absorb water. It does not swell or shrink. The robust, smooth surface guarantees first-class concrete quality even after many uses. Given optimum conditions of use and correct handling, max up to 350 use cycles, guide value, in frame formwork can be achieved. Due to their durability, ROCPLEX Xlife plywood sheet are good for formwork applications. Super E0 waterproof environmental friendly adhesive. If put in boiling water for 72 hours, it is still glue-sticking and non-deformed. ROCPLEX leading plywood manufacturing.